Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You've already set project basics. Now import your clips. Open the project panel, drag folders, or use File Import File to keep media organized. Once imported, create bins for raw footage, proxies, and sequences so you can locate assets quickly. Make sure the composition frame rate and resolution match the majority of your clips to avoid retiming artifacts. If clips contain audio, enable Preserve Audio and separate them into an audio bin. This setup saves time. Now place clips into a composition and build your timeline. Drag a clip to the new composition button to auto-match settings, or create a comp and add multiple clips on separate layers. Use the waveform view and layer markers to sync cut points and audio precisely. Once done, the slip tool nudges content without moving the layer. If you have stabilization or motion effects, enable motion blur and preview with adjustment layers to assess combined effects. Make sure layers are trimmed to remove dead space. Finish by cleaning edits and exporting. Trim layers with Alt+ and Alt+, or use the trim paths effect for precise reveals. Once satisfied, check opacity and transitions. For export, choose Composition Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue for format flexibility, or Add to Render Queue for quick renders. If you run into slow previews or dropped frames, create lower resolution proxies or switch the composition preview to half or quarter resolution. This maintains timing while improving playback. Finally, verify final render against original specs to confirm everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.